In this video, we're going to work on understanding decimal patterns. So if we have a problem like this that says, fill in the missing decimal number to complete the pattern, and we take a look at this, we see 0.0, 0.5, then there's a blank, then it goes 1.5, then 2, then there's a blank, then 3. So we have to notice the pattern. And we could see that each number is increasing by 0.5, right? So 0.0, 0.5, and then here we can see 1.5 increases by 0.5 to 2, 2.0. So then the missing number after 0.5 is 1.0. And the missing number after 2.0 is 2.5. So we could put those in. So it would be 1.0, and then over here it'll be 2.5. And that's the end of that problem. Pretty simple, right?